Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking ebook using Canva. Even if you're not a designer, Canva makes it easy to turn your ideas into a polished digital book. Start by opening Canva in your web browser and logging in. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and free. Once you're in, type ebook into the search bar to explore a wide range of templates. Browse until you find one that fits the style and theme of your ebook. Click on your chosen template and then hit Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now you can make it your own. Replace placeholder text with your content, adjust fonts, sizes, and colors, and make sure everything is consistent and easy to read. Next, enhance your ebook with visuals. Canva offers a library of images, icons, and illustrations, or you can upload your own. Play around with layouts, layers, and colors to create a cohesive and visually appealing design. Before finalizing, preview your ebook to check for any errors and make sure everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied, download your ebook. PDF is usually the best option for sharing and compatibility, and that's it. With these steps, you've turned a template into a unique, ready-to-read ebook. Keep experimenting, stay creative, and happy designing.